everyone, welcome to another video of Make Anything with Mike. Today's project is a 97 Chevy S10. Okay, the problem with this one, I went to turn it on. I bought this truck, I went to turn it on, and it shakes. It has the shakes. Now, I have one of those machines that you, OBD-II, that you put for the computer to tell me what's wrong with it, which is the easiest way to identify the problem. Or you can go to any convenient auto place and they can diagnose it for you, just with the simple codes. I'm going to go get my little computer and I'm going to hook it up and to see which code is the one that is going to give me. So stand by and we're going to figure this thing out. See you in a few. Okay, I'm actually inside the vehicle. I hooked it up. This the OBD-II. Mine does two of them. Mine does the OBD-II and one. So this is a nice little machine. Very nice. It's very convenient. Now, I hooked it up to the OBD. Down at the bottom is a 97 Chevy S10 with a Vortex 6-cylinder engine. I'm going to go ahead and run it. Put in the switch, the key, put it on, and turn it all on. I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, I went ahead and I hooked it on, and it turned itself on. And now it says diagnosing here. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. But before I hit OK, I have to turn the key on. Put it like in the on position. Okay, hit OK. Okay, I see it's processing. Okay, it says monitor status. Hit OK. It says read code. Hit OK. Current DTCS. Yes, hit OK. Processing. Okay, first code. P0102. It looks like it has 4 of them. Okay, the P0102 says mass or volume airflow A circuit low. Okay, I'm assuming that's the mass flow sensor. So it also it says 4, so let's advance it. Number 3, mass or volume airflow, A circuit high. Okay, so far it's the mass flow sensor. Number 3, random multiple cylinder misfire detected. So because the mass flow sensor is acting up, it's making the spark plugs and the wires, and if you have rotors, caps, it's making it misfire. It's making the cylinders misfire. That's what that stands for. Let's go see what the 4th one is. Shift timing solenoid. Okay, that has something to do with the transmission. Okay, so right now I need to take care of the engine first. So I'm going to go back to the P0102. And that is the mass flow, volume, airflow. Okay. Let's go see where it's at. Okay. Here's your mass flow sensor. So apparently this is what's acting up, according to the computer. So we're going to replace this. I've already went to AutoZone and bought the part. So we're going to replace it. Okay, and stand by. Hi everyone. Welcome back. It is cold out here. My garage is occupied with my Jeep and my Camaro. I can't work in there, and there's a lot of snow out here, so I'm not removing my babies out of the garage. So I'm going to work on my driveway. Like I said before, this is an S10, a 97 S10, and the code showed that it was the mass flow sensor. I went to AutoZone and went and got it. They had it in stock, which was pretty easy. And we're about to change it. So it's right here. it's so simple to change. It's only a clamp here, a clamp here. I'm gonna go ahead and get my my 5-in-1 and remove it, and remove this plug. Actually, see if it comes off with my hands. It came right off. Very, very simple. And I'm going to remove those screws. Let me go get my tools. Okay, I have my 5-in-1. This is really, really simple. Once you can identify what the problem is, it's simple to change. And then you can look online if you don't know where the location of the mass flow sensor is at. Look online. It tells you exactly where it is. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I want to take that off too. Okay, I want to take that off. Let me see. Take this off. That way I don't have to remove that. Okay. That's that. That's that. Okay. Oh, there you go. It's out. Huh. I have the new one over here. Let's look at it. Here's the actual new piece. Okay. They look the same. They look identical. Okay. Okay, remember folks, when you remove this, this has an arrow, and the arrow points is the airflow going in. So this is like for the carburetor. For those who don't know what the fuel injection housing is, it's toward the carburetor. That's what that arrow is for. It shouldn't be that hard to put on. The same way you took it off, the same way you put it on. It's only a clamp, so like I said, it's not that hard, not that difficult. There you go. Oh, I could turn it a little bit, make it look nice and even. There we go. Ah, that looks much better. Tighten it up. It is cold out here, boy. Maybe I should have changed my mind and did it in the garage. It's cold. It's cold. Let's see if we can put this thing back on. Like I said before, the way the engine was shaking, it wanted to fall apart. It was a lot of shaking. That's how I was able to. I stopped it, and I brought it home, and I left it here for a couple days to cool down. And now, this morning, today is Saturday. I need my truck. Definitely need my truck. So hopefully this was a simple fix, and let's turn it on and see what happens. Well, folks, it's that simple. I put the 2 clamps back on. I snap the plug back in, and hopefully let's see if that does the trick. Okay, like I said, it was simple. Let's go turn this thing on. Oh yes, nice. Now it's nice and sturdy. A little bit shaking, it's probably because it's cold, but oh, it started right up. No problem whatsoever. Before, it didn't even start. It was shaking and shaking and shaking and carrying on. Oh yeah. What I do notice is the fan is moving very slow. Maybe it's got a bad clutch. So maybe that's another project. Okay, so problem number 1 is solved. It was the mass flow sensor. Very easy fix. I'm gonna take it for a ride and see if it has power. Thank you very much for watching.